afternoon na ata. Kasi parang 1 na something. Parang 1 something na. Something. Anyway, so today na yung uuwi kami sa Sacramento. Siguro yung asawa ko nag-request ng late checkout. Andito pa kami sa hotel. As you can see yung background ko. Bed pa. Naliligo siya ngayon. Na-ready na namin. Hindi pa talaga lahat. Pero almost ready na lahat yung aming mga suitcases. Pag nag-check out kami dito, siguro iiwan lang namin yung aming mga luggages sa baba. And then, pupunta kami doon sa Columbia Center. Kasi mamaya pa naman yung flight namin. Siguro sabi ko na nung vlog ko kahapon. But yung flight namin mga 7 pa ng gabi. So, meron pa kaming time pumunta sa Columbia Center. So, yan lang na muna yung gagawin namin. Yung pa-outfit ko today is ito lang. Sleeveless. Tapos, shorts. Ayan. Kasi mainit guys. Tapos yung blue ko ulit na sandal. Nag-makeup lang ako ng konti. Yung ginamit ko is yung Origins na tinted moisturizer. Lately, yun yung ginagamit ko kasi light lang siya. Tapos meron na siyang kasamang SPF. So maganda. Na-distract ako konti. Kasi merong nagparachute. So nag-ano lang ako, ang tawag dito? Concealer. Tapos yun, kilay, mascara, tapos lipstick. Yung ginagamit ko na lipstick is yung from Physicians Formula. Yung bago nila. Babalikan ko kayong mamaya pag paalis na kami. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go. You to let it go.
Sculpted this landscape, but 15 million years ago something began to change. The Cascades began to rise up, 14,410 feet above sea level, the tallest mountain in Washington, and the Cascade Range. Welcome to the top of Seattle. Welcome to Sky View Observatory.
Pike.
Very. It's probably the other side.
Where can you see the space?
What building is that?
I don't know.
That's cool. I love. What was that thing over there? That like island that has skyline too.
That's probably Bellevue.
Huh?
That's probably Bellevue. That's where Microsoft, Apple, and all that stuff. I think that's right.
Where's our hotel? Our hotel is that one.
I think it's
the-
behind.
No, I saw it.
Oh, you saw it? Okay.
That's the Sheraton.
Yeah.
So I think it's this one then. No. So our hotel somewhere there, guys. Because we are like next to Sheraton, like across the Sheraton hotel. So that's the Sheraton. Maybe between these two buildings, like this one and this one. I think maybe that's our hotel. Kasi ano lang yun eh. 30 floors lang ata. So siguro yan yung hotel namin.
It's just the bridge to Bellevue. It said floating because it floats.
You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. When it won't let go, go. When it let go, you when it let go, go. When it asks to let go, when it let go, go. When it's to let go, when it let go, you got to let